Hello students, this is Prakasam sir from Math Beyond Marks channel where you can learn maths by learning concepts and score good marks. Now this is class 9 chapter 1 end of chapter exercises question number 10, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, let us go to the question directly. Question number 9. The following table shows the coordinates of S, M and T. 3 points. They are giving coordinates of 3 points. In each case, state whether M is the midpoint of the segment ST. Justify your answer. So in each case, you have to justify. So how you will do? Just you have to draw and then check. When M is the midpoint of ST, can you find any connection between the coordinates M, S and T? Yes. One more thing. One side question they are asking part. When M is the midpoint of ST, can you find any connection between the coordinates M, S and T? That you know by this time could have understood. Okay. First point, yes. Let me take the first one. First, S minus 3 comma 0. So S is minus 3 comma 0. S here it is S minus 3 comma 0 is this one. So the point is S. Okay, next one M 0 comma 0. Yes, it is origin. M 0 comma 0. Then T 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0 means on the positive side of the x-axis. So it is T 3 comma 0. Okay, y is 0, x is 3. Now what the question? S, M, T are there. The following table shows the coordinate. Is state whether M is the midpoint of the segment ST. Yes, here you can see this is the midpoint of S and T. How it is a midpoint? Yes, you see this is 3 units. This side also 3 units. We want only the length, that's all. Okay, so whether it is minus 3 or plus 3, that is not the matter. So this length is 3 units and this length also 3 units. That's all. So yes, M is the midpoint in the first case. So you can write it as, is M the midpoint of ST? Here, yes. Reason they are saying, okay, length equal to what? Just you can write the reason. Length equal to 3 units, both the sides, 3 units. The next point is given as 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4 and 4 comma 5. But you are not allowed to put this in the same graph. Once again in year, if it is year yes, here also yes, we cannot mark, but for explanation purpose I am using this one. Remember, in one plane figure you are not allowed to put the same point for different coordinates. This now you forget, that is not there, that SMT is not there, because I have to explain for conclusion. That means the last question they are asking, that I have to conclude, for that it should be there. Okay, now let it be. So SMT 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3 surely it will come in the positive side. 2 and 3, 2 along x-axis and 3 along y-axis, 2 comma 3. Yes, this is S 2 comma 3. Okay, next M 3 comma 4. M is 3 comma 4. 3 and 4 here. Yes, 3 comma 4 means this point, 3 comma 4. Yes, M 3 comma 4. Okay, next one. Let me see. 4 comma 5. 4 comma 5 is T. 4 comma 5 here along x-axis 4 and 5 is here. Yes, this point is 4 comma 5. Okay, this point is S, M and T is the point. Now say whether M is the midpoint of S and T. Yes, it is a midpoint only, because from here to here diagonally 1 point, not 1 unit, diagonally 1. That means it will be root 2. You know, here is 1 unit and here is 1 unit, means it will be root 2 units. This also will be same thing and this also will be root 2 unit only. Okay, anyhow both are same. That means for this question also, now what they're asking, is it same? Yes. Okay, why? Length, here we are saying the length equal to root 2 units. root 2 units, because we know it is by Pythagorean triplet, simple 1 unit. No, we can do that one. Next is 0 comma 0, 0 comma 5 and 0 comma minus 10. Okay, next point, 0 comma 0, yes, origin. Then 0 comma 5, 0 comma 5 means where it will be? It will be on the x-axis. 0 comma 5 is on the x-axis. This is 0 comma 5. This is first one is this one. They gave, this must be yes. Okay, this 0 comma, this one is yes, and this one is m. Okay, 0 comma 5 and t 0 comma minus 10. X is 0, minus 10 means here somewhere in the bottom. Somewhere in the bottom of this exercise, this one it will come. Let me mark here somewhere. It is 0 comma minus 10. Okay, somewhere it will come down. Let me mark here 0 comma minus 10. Simply I will mark it. Point is coming down. Okay, now will it be equal? Will it be the midpoint of these two? No. And moreover, the points are not in order also. What is that? S is here. S is first. S is coming. This is number 1 and number 2 and number 3. Third point is this one. So actually the second one must be in the middle. So it is not the midpoint. Okay. So for this, no problem. The reason is no. So the answer for this is no. Next one, minus 8 comma 7, 0 comma minus 2 and 6 comma minus 3. My dear children, till now you are learning, no? I hope you have understood. Please check this number by yourself and write yes or no in the comment section. Also, if it is length is applicable, here length is not applicable. Length is 5 units and 10 units. The upper section it is 5 units, below it is minus 10. Even though minus 10, the length is 10 units. Okay, when m is the midpoint of the stick and you find any connection between them, yes, when m is the midpoint, what happened? Both the sides, the length are equal, that's all. So the distance between m to s and m to t are equal. That's all they're asking. So you can write any explanation what you think that time. Shall we go to next question? Question number 10. Use the connection you found to find the coordinates of B, given that m minus 7 comma 1 is the midpoint of A 3 comma minus 4 and B x comma y. So use the connection in the previous question. What you used there? If m is the midpoint, m to s and m to t, the distance is equal. So that logic they are asking to use here. Okay, first let us see these 2 points. Let me plot this. M minus 7 comma 1. Where is m? Minus 7 along x-axis. Yes, this one. Minus 7 comma 1 is this point. Okay, this is m. Okay, minus 7 comma 1. Okay, next one. Midpoint of 3 comma minus 4. M minus 7 comma 1 is the midpoint of A 3 comma minus 4. Where is A 3 comma minus 4? 3 comma minus 4 here. 3 comma minus 4 is here. 3 comma minus 4. This point. Look at, my dear children, look at this. Where that will come? This must be the midpoint. This is the midpoint. Okay, remember in this, for explanation I am drawing this one in this line. Here is one point, that is A 3 comma minus 4, and B is somewhere here. B is x comma y. Then here is m, but m itself in the corner of my graph. But better, no need to worry, you can make the graph smaller and do this sum, but I will explain in this graph itself. If I want to explain this properly, I have to reduce the size of this one. Now you can see A is here and this one. Both, what is that, A and A? B is this point. This point is B and this point is A. So B x comma y and A x comma as 3 comma minus 4. M is the midpoint of this A and B. Hence from here to here, how much? From there here to there, the same length it must be. So the length from here to there, this length both must be equal. You keep the ruler and draw that all the three will be in the same straight line. Nothing. How to draw? Take the length of this one. Suppose you imagine this is 6 plus 7, 3 units. Some 9 units it is coming. Then from here also you take to this one 9 units and draw, keep the mark the point b x comma y. That's all. So from here to here 9 units means from here to here 9 units you mark and mark one point b x comma y there. Therefore that is the coordinate. You can find the coordinate also. That's what they're asking. Okay, let me go to question. Next question. Let p comma q be the points of trisection of AB. Trisection of AB. What is the meaning? Now this is AB. Okay, trisection means there are 2 points. This is P and Q. Equal this length and this length and this length. All the 3 lengths are equal. Now what they give? P is closer to A. That means this is P. And Q is closer to B. That's all. So that means here the coordinates will be given. You have to find out all these points. That also by drawing
the graph only. There are several methods that and all will be given later. Now let us use graphical method.
Let P comma Q be the points of trisection of AB with P closer to A and Q closer to B. Using your knowledge of how to find the coordinates of the midpoint. Yes, previous question we have done. Midpoint of a segment. How would you find the coordinates of P and Q? Do this for the case when the points are A 4, 7 and B 16, minus 2. A and B are given. Okay, no problem. A and B. What is A and B here? A is 16, minus 2. 4, 7. A. Here I didn't mark the points. Let me mark it once. 16, minus 2 means this is minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. But enough. 16 is here and minus 2 is here itself. This is B. 16, minus 2. Now we have to join this one. Okay. Now the 2 points were joined. Use the ruler and divide that length, whatever it comes, into 3 parts and mark here exactly 2 points. This will be, what are the points? That one P and Q. In the rough diagram what I have drawn is P comma Q. You mark it and find out the answer for this one. Write the coordinates also. Even if it comes in decimal point, you can write that one. 6.2. Here you see actually it is 7.2 something. 7.2, then it is not 4.3. Like that you can write it. The decimals also you can write the answer. If it is coming exactly, then no problem. If not, write in decimal also. But here what they are asking to know, you should know how to find the trisection. In the next exercises and all, I hope, or in the next questions, they will introduce the formula to find the midpoint of this one. Okay, I hope, my dear children, you are able to understand this one. This is the last question of this video and we will meet you in the next video. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from your Pragasam.